In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Salesforce in dark mode. If you spend a lot of time in Salesforce, switching to a darker interface can make long sessions easier on your eyes and help reduce glare. We'll do this by using a free Chrome extension, and I'll walk you through the entire process clearly and safely. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to the Chrome Web Store. The quickest way is to open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store, then click the official result from Google. Once you're in the store, use the search box in the top left to look for Salesforce Dark Mode or SF Dark. You'll see a list of results. Because extensions are made by third-party developers, take a moment to verify what you're installing. Check the name carefully, look at the star rating and number of users, glance through recent reviews, and review the permissions it requests. You want an extension that's well-rated, actively maintained, and requires only the access it needs to restyle pages. When you're confident you found the right one, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Chrome will download it, and you'll see a brief notification when the installation is complete. If an options page opens, you can leave the defaults for now. Next, open Salesforce in a tab and sign in as you normally do. With Salesforce loaded, look at the top right of Chrome for the extension area. If you see a puzzle piece icon, click it to view your installed extensions, then select the Salesforce Dark Mode extension. You can also pin it for quick access, if that helps you switch on and off more easily. Inside the extension pop-up, toggle Dark Mode on. Within a second or two, your Salesforce interface should transform to a darker palette. If you don't see changes right away, refresh the page so the extension can reapply styles. Keep in mind that dark mode extensions restyle pages on the fly, so a few screens may not be perfectly themed. If any element looks hard to read, simply toggle the switch off for that page, or revisit the extension settings to fine-tune the look if options are available. That's all it takes. You opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for Salesforce Dark Mode or SF Dark, added the extension, and toggled it on while in Salesforce. Enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience, and feel free to switch it off anytime you need the original look. Thanks for watching, and happy working in Salesforce.